Helo, Mae'r dwy. Dwi eisiau helpu chi gydag Uned 2. I want to help you with Unit 2. In Unit 2, you'll be learning how to talk about likes and everyday activities. I will be asking you to say things out loud during this video, so don't be shy and give it a go. Do you remember learning dwi in Uned 1? The verb bod, to be, is very important in Gymraeg. Dwi plus yn plus verb. Dwi'n gwylio. Dwi'n darllen. If you want to say that you like something, you simply use the same sentence structure. I like. Dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n hoffi. I like is also said as dwi'n lico in many areas of Wales. Both are fine. Use the one you prefer. I am going to use hoffi in this video. Now, let's put these words in a sentence. I'll show the object and you put it in a sentence. Barod? What is I like again? Dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n hoffi. Iawn. Dwi'n hoffi coffi. Dwi'n hoffi pizza. Dwi'n hoffi te. Dwi'n hoffi gwin. Just chuck another one in for you. Cofio to read. Dwi'n hoffi darllen. Da iawn chi. So, if you want to ask someone what they like or hoffi, you start with the question with wyt ti'n. Wyt ti'n. Gwrandewch and repeat. Wyt ti'n hoffi? Wyt ti'n hoffi? Wyt ti'n hoffi te? Wyt ti'n hoffi te? Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Wyt ti'n hoffi gwin? Yes. Ydw. Ydw. No. Nac ydw. Nac ydw. Ydw. Nac ydw. Ydw and nac ydw is the first person answer present tense. When questions start with wyt ti or di chi, you are literally saying I am, I do, or I'm not, I don't. Let's practice. Beth am ymarfer? I'll ask you the question and you answer with yes, ydw, or a no, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n hoffi dawnsio? Wyt ti'n hoffi siocled? Wyt ti'n hoffi darllen? Da iawn chi. you want to ask these questions to a group of people, you simply change wyt ti to di chi. Gwrandewch. Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Dych chi'n hoffi coffi? The yes and no this time is slightly different. It's ydyn, ydyn, nac ydyn, nac ydyn, ydyn, nac ydyn. Let's practice using the yes and no with ti and chi. Dych chi'n hoffi dansio? Nac ydyn. Wyt ti'n hoffi darllen? Ydw. Dych chi'n hoffi siocled? Ydyn. Wyt ti'n hoffi te? Nac ydw. Wyt ti'n hoffi siopa? Ydw. Now, if you want to say that you don't like something, you simply drop the yn and add ddim. Gwrandewch and repeat. Dwi ddim yn hoffi pizza. Dwi ddim yn hoffi darllen. Dwi ddim yn hoffi siopa. Now, you're familiar with using these positive and negative sentences. You can explore using them with ni, us, or we. Dwi change to di ni, di ni. Gwrandewch and repeat. Dyn ni'n hoffi pizza? Dyn ni'n hoffi coffi? Dyn ni'n hoffi creision? Creision, crisps, creision. Dyn ni'n hoffi creision? And the negative works exactly the same as dwi ddim. Dyn ni ddim. Dyn ni ddim. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi darllen. So, what have we learned so far? Dwi'n hoffi coffi. I like coffee. Dyn ni yn hoffi coffi. We like coffee. Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Do you like coffee? Ydw? Nac ydw. Dych chi yn hoffi coffi? Ydyn. Nac ydyn. Dwi ddim yn hoffi coffi. I don't like coffee. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi coffi. We don't like coffee. I hope this little video has given you an overview of what's in Uned 2. To learn more, look at Uned 2 in the Mynediad coursebook and on our online resources again. Hwyl fawr!